feel like giving up. You guys, it's crazy. What do you mean that I have been busting my ass every fucking single day, only for me to realize that I have been moving in the wrong direction? What do I do? I am dead. I just they look here.
We fought.
That if she collect that phone, I am dead. No, the phone will not be broken. She will not give it to me. To nursery school when we were small, we were like twins now, and we talk every day. Me and my brother, we don't get wahala.
The new president.
If they ask him now, which part of the law did they say they should not make video? Like, I already know it is even like, it's not. I want to capture them, whatever it said. People, they just use their flag and play everywhere. God, I beg. Is just everywhere. It's even part of the decoration. Sorry, will I be getting this document here so that I can go through these channels that you
other woman's clothes, you have to buy food.
Good morning, guys. So welcome back to my channel. And like from yesterday, you can clearly tell I am currently in Cotonou, Benin Republic. Yeah, you guys. Yesterday I met, like, there's a whole big difference between here and there, right? Yesterday I met like the chief judge, like the chief judge of Benin Republic. See, when I went to meet the man, like, I already know this is like a big man. You guys, it took me reading the because he speaks French, right? Obviously, it took me reading the poster in his office and made me realize that, damn, this one is a big man. Unlike, if that was supposed to happen in Nigeria, yeah, you do like this before you get access to his office. Anyways, here we are. I am here for work and pleasure. So yeah, I have like a whole lot of things to do today. Yesterday I was on a call, right? Because I am somebody that is always in constant search for knowledge. So I was on a work call yesterday and I learned a whole lot about what I've been doing. Cause you guys, what do you mean that I have been working so hard but I have been working in the wrong way? Ha! I feel like giving up. I really want to give up, but I am not someone that does that kind of thing. Cause you guys, it's crazy. What do you mean that I have been busting my ass every fucking single day, only for me to realize that I have been moving in the wrong direction? What do I do? What do I do? Like, I am really not someone that gets stuck in one position. Like, if I realize that I've been doing something wrong, like, my one motto is keep it moving. Like, if I did something and it was not working out, like, I always want to try to find alternatives to make it work, right? So it's keep it moving for me. So today I have to apply everything that I learned, this new strategy, and just work from there. So I have to work on my channel, I have to work on my Instagram and my TikTok, and yeah, so let's keep it moving, guys. Let's keep it moving.
So you need to just looking at me.
Yes. You are the one that did not like the idea in the first place. Wait, these are frozen pizza.
Yeah, they have frozen. But you need microwave. You need microwave.
And you hope see everywhere good, but nothing to show, nothing. So I thought to you.
How do you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
I think you should stay this way. Like Cotonou is so beautiful.
You say, what you thought?
I love this greeny. You guys.
Paying them salary, right?
But they're looking for their own daily bread.
I mean, there's a lot of people on the road if you are paying them salary just to check, and they're doing the same job all of
Girl of the Lord. They look me up. All of them, I want to. Also, I see as person the whole camera and I go they fear. I'm back home from Cotonou. Right, I'm back in Lagos. Anyways, I just received my hair package from Sister Natural Hair Touch. You guys, I am so bad with taking care of my hair, right? Before now, I used to be so obsessed with taking care of my hair. These days, I just want to braid my hair or make whatever hairstyle and just leave it there. Like, even to brush the hairstyle. My last hairstyle really gave me that benefit of not having to do anything to my hair when I wake up. And I feel like this one is also serving the purpose. But when I went to go and make this hair, I saw how bad it affected my hair, my natural hair, for not taking care of it. So I got some hair product and I want to try it out and start taking care of my hair.
Recording in progress.
Yes, so you have to pay.
So for the boat, whether you're self-hosting or you're hosting in the plant, it's up to you.
Yes, unless you are putting on your own laptop. If you are hosting on your own laptop, you won't pay. All you need to do is just download Docker and run the API is a system that helps two applications to talk to each other. API is the way anything can actually make the requests and tell Gmail to send an email for us. So what I'm talking now, this laptop that I have here and your own laptop, AI, let's take them as the API. This my laptop is allowing me to talk to you. You understand? Let's say that's how the API is working. Then webhook is a trigger. Webhook is a trigger. HTTP node is an action. Webhook can only receive data. It cannot generate data. It can only receive, just like you add when you in class.
So I want to know in what instance, what are the specific features that fill out form have that others don't have that, and how are you going to know like which best application for particular?
Alright, so thank you for this question actually. I wanted to talk about it before. Now, when it comes to applications in general, right? There's no way you'll be able to know all the nodes that any application have. You won't be able, you can't learn all of them, you can't cram them in your head. There's no way you can learn all. So basically, when you start talking to a client and maybe they tell you that they are using a specific application, let's take for instance, Google Form. They tell you that they're using Google Form for their form stone, right? Or they tell you that they are allowed WordPress. Just come to this place and search WordPress. You will see it there.
Oh God, what is this glue? Ah God, oh my God, like my forehead is literally like glowing. Mm. Wow. Ah ha 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 ha.